Imagine a future where oil is no longer affordable. Power and clean water are in short supply. Extreme temperatures, fire, and food shortages are more and more common. What would you do if you ran out of water or didn't have power? Wouldn't be cool. Chaos, widespread panic. Where are you gonna get your resources to survive another day and maybe have kids? Well, you know, it's kind of confusing until you start to see that solar power's cheap and catching rain is easy. In fact, let me tell you a little story about the way we roll. I built a straw bale. House dirt cheap. Building over time, I had no mortgage to strangle, so I put some solar panels up on an angle, and now I've got the power to live for free. I take it to the bank, watch this and you'll see. I engineered a little rain tank right here that filters out the funk and gets it crystal clear. Now I've got everything that I need to live a simple life and start to plant some seeds. Energy efficient homes built with timber from your land. Custom cabinetry. Renewable resources. And rainwater harvesting. We are Heirloom Builders. We knock it out the park and make conventional bewildered. Airtight. That's the way to build it, right? Easy to keep, you just ventilate it right. The first thing we do is analyze your site. We situate your home for heat and natural light. If we could open windows like a sail just so, we could naturally cool your home and save some serious dough. That's the way we think. We like to plan it all out. That's why we build a model to make sure there's no doubt. We make sure your vision is right in line, and we build within the budget like every single time. If this is something that you see yourself into, certainly hit us up for more info. What we want to do is make the world a better place to see our people rise up to the challenges we face. Like and subscribe to help us build up on this. Our future is bright, opportunity we can't miss. And if there's one thing we know we can do, it's build a better home and get back to our roots.